Reverb, a lyric analysis and sound app by Dinesh, which is me, obviously. Um, so, what is Reverb? Reverb is a web application that helps you explore music in a different way. Reverb can be a good way to recommend songs to friends and a place to find a new tune. It has two main parts. You've got the lyric analyzer and the soundbar app. The lyric analyzer, you can enter a song and an artist to get a sentiment analysis of the lyrics and a cool word cloud that shows the most important words. Now the soundbar app is the interactive page where you can play different sounds and see a visual representation of the audio waves. Now how in the world does Reverb work? So first of all, the lyric analyzer uses Python Flask to fetch lyrics from the Genius API. It then uses the NLTK library's Vader tool to figure out if the lyrics are positive, negative, or neutral. Finally, it creates a visual word cloud using the word cloud and the matplotlib libraries. And the soundbar app is built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and this uses the tone.js library to generate different audio tones and an HTML canvas to draw a real-time visualization of the sounds. The demo and features. So the key features that you will see in the demo is that the app finds lyrics for almost any song. It also generates the word cloud as mentioned before with words that are colored by sentiment. You are able to play a variety of fun sounds with the soundbar in the app, and the app's UI is pretty clean and easy to use compared to other applications. So onto the demo where I will be going into the app. Alright, so I'm in GitHub right now. When you go to the bottom of the GitHub page, you're gonna see a localhost URL and a Vercel uh, URL, which is for Reverb. You can click any one of them, and either one should work. Um, and before clicking on those, you want to make sure you have a virtual environment uh, as a folder because GitHub will not save it. So that means you gotta make your own virtual environment. Once you have that up and running, you want to go into command prompt, or if you have git bash, then you want to go into git bash, and you want to type literally these words here. The, that is uv run app py. So when you do that, you want to click enter, and once you click enter, the website should be running. And uh, when you do that, I'm just gonna click localhost because I'm just like that. And when you click on it, you should be on the main or home page. So this is the home page, and let's start off with going into the soundbar app. So this is the soundbar app. Um, I'm gonna click start audio, and if you click any one of these um, buttons, I would say you can hear the sounds like the kick drum or the snare drum, and maybe even the synth pad. So yeah, it's cool stuff. Um, Now let's go back to the main hub. Let's go into the lyric analyzer, and for the song title, why don't we just put Bohemian Rhapsody? Alright, let's analyze the lyrics, and we get this. So the overall mood is negative, and as you can see, that's the sentiment analyzer. And then over here we have the word cloud, which gives of these words, where most of them are from the song, and two of them actually have a they actually have color, which is really cool. So in short, that was the demonstration. Let's go back to the PowerPoint. Alright, conclusion and next steps. So this project shows how to combine different technologies, or you can say programming languages, like Python, Flask, and JavaScript to create a fun, interactive web app. Now some future ideas could include adding more sounds to the soundbar, letting users save their favorite song analyses, or maybe even adding a dark mode for the app. That's all for the presentation. Thank you, and